Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is really exciting. It is another home tour. It's a small one though. This is my winter home tour, so all of the Christmas stuff is down. It's January 2018. I'm still trying to recover emotionally from taking down my Christmas stuff. I don't know if you guys are, but it is so sad to see it go. And now I'm just like counting down the months until I can start like planning my fall decor and start it all over again. But anyways, yes, so I have my place decorated for winter. Really, when it comes to winter decor, I focus a lot less on decor pieces all around and a lot more on having a very warm and cozy and inviting space. You might even call the style and the aesthetic of my place Hygge. Some of you may be familiar with Hygge, some of you may not be. Hygge is a Danish term, kind of loosely translates into coziness, comfort, and it's a way of life actually, but if we're talking strictly about the style of it, I think my place is a little bit Hygge. But I'm not an expert on Hygge. I do have a friend here on YouTube who is. Her name is Albie from the channel Albie Knows. She's also the creator of the Decor Discovery subscription box, and I do have some pieces from that subscription box in my winter decor, so I will make sure to point that out. And this is not sponsored by her at all. We're just friends here on YouTube, and I wanted to give her a shout out. I'm gonna leave her channel linked below. So just real quickly, kind of to sum up the decor, because I don't think I'm going to do a ton of talking when I flip the camera around. I have a lot of just earthy tones, the colors that you would actually see in the winter time, so creams, whites, browns, a little bit of green, some gray. I like to bring the natural elements in. That's part of the Hygge style, is bringing some natural elements in. I have a lot of candles. That's also a part of the Hygge style. And just I have an overload of comfy pillows and blankets and textures to make it feel like this is a safe haven from the sub-zero temperatures here in Ohio that we are gonna have until probably June. So I'm gonna flip the camera around now. I think I've done enough blabbering, and I will show you my living room and my dining room and how I have them decorated for winter. I have to give a quick shout out to Kenya's Decor Corner. She hauled this piece first, and I knew I had to have it for my dining room. I love this so much. This was an after Christmas clearance purchase from Kirkland's, and it is just perfect for winter decor. I added in candles from Dollar Tree and just some little pieces of cotton. And I also have this little nook on the other side of my dining room that's extra cozy. As you can see, I added a bunch of really cozy faux fur and cable knit pillows and throw blankets. It's just so comfortable, and I love the cable knit with the faux fur and all the textures. It just is very Hygge and very warm and inviting. You guys have asked time and time again to see more of Chip, so I thought this was the perfect opportunity to share him with you guys. He's just being a funny little guy. He is so silly. He was making me play fetch with him, but he was just too comfy to get up and actually get off the couch himself, and that is the whole point of this decor, to get extra comfy and cozy. On my side table, I did put this little floral arrangement I put together with lamb's ear, cotton, and pine cones for more of a wintry look. I'm not ready for flowers just yet. It's still so cold and will be for a long time in Ohio, so this is what I have for now.
And moving on to my coffee table, I just have some faux birch candles and some more pine cones for a kind of cabin wintry feel. On one side of my fireplace, I have this crate with some extra pillows and blankets. This beautiful kind of chartreuse color blanket with the tassels came from the Decor Discovery subscription box, and it's just that perfect pop of color. It's a little bit springy but not offensive, and it's actually kind of season neutral as well, so I am so happy to have received this in my box. I love adding a garland across my fireplace to give it a more festive touch after the holidays. And I actually made both of these. The pom-pom one was made out of pom-pom ornaments I got for 75% off. And this one was just made out of a book that I bought from Dollar Tree and some twine. And this was actually on my Christmas tree, but I repurposed it for my winter decor. On the other side of my fireplace, I have this beautiful textured faux fur blanket draped over a chair with a throw pillow. Above that, I have a succulent plant to just bring a little bit of green into the room, and a candle that I just simply tied a twig with some acorns around, and that's all sitting on a book. And on the other side, I have a few more books. Those also came from the Decor Discovery subscription box. I've started to read both. And I have a lantern. This was actually a Christmas lantern, but I'm still using it in my winter decor. And I filled it up with some twinkle lights, some cotton, and some pine cones.
So that's everything, you guys. I really hope you got some ideas for how you might be able to spruce your place up, kind of freshen it up and leave it feeling light and airy, but also cozy and comfortable and a little bit festive for the winter time. If you did enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more videos like this. I think I'm going to be doing probably a Valentine's Day decor tour as well. I don't go overboard for Valentine's Day. I'll probably just add a few little hints of pink and love mixed into what's already existing that you just saw. And I will see you back in my next video. Bye, guys.